In this video you will learn about SAP and how it is used. SAP is an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, software by the same name of the company. SAP is a German acronym which is spelled in English as Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. The best place to study SAP is through its certification programs. The SAP website, SAP Software Solutions, Business Applications and Technology, gives complete details about it. You can browse to your country and find the registered training institutes. There are various modules of SAP. You may choose any module as per your expertise and plan a training. An ERP is simply a logical representation of the business which is centrally connected, helps in doing the necessary transactions and real-time reporting. With the help of an ERP, the organizational teams are able to work independently, with the necessary access controls and approvals, and finally the management is able to consolidate and integrate organizational performance reporting. SAP is divided into different modules which are ideally specific to a business function. For example, SD module for sales and distribution, logistics, materials management, for purchase and stores, CRM module for customer relationship management, and many more modules are available which you can easily get on SAP and other related websites. There is a buy/bo tool of SAP which is specifically used for analysis. These are standard packages, meaning it does not need coding to configure. This is called the functional part of SAP. You can do customization in SAP through a language called ABAP. This requires coding knowledge. This is called the technical part of SAP. So that is all about what is SAP and how it is used. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.